let's say I have an eating utensil like a spoon, but I want to get a nice divot in it. And maybe it's easy for some of us to carve, say you're right-handed, to carve to the right, but then it's hard to carve the other direction and you don't have enough room on your stick and it becomes a dangerous move to do with your knife. So instead what we can do is actually burn out this spot by using a hot coal. So okay, so I get my coal and I add a little compression, and then I just add some air to it to get it to start burning the wood. What's happening is that I'm able to sort of slowly burn the inside of this, and then I can go ahead and scrape it.
And what and why are you scraping?
And so I'm scraping this in order to get the wood out that I've burned, so I can start to get a depression. I'll add coal to my spoon a number of times, take it off, scrape it, continue to indent the wood, and ultimately have a nice spoon to use. Consequently, I've made the other end sharp in case I want to point and try and like stab something like a knife. So it's sort of like my version of a spork. The other thing you can do is begin to make larger ones. I've done the exact same thing, taking coals, slowly blowing on them and burning out the wood, and now I have a bulb.